Alright class, in this video we continue our discussion of finding the exact value of trigonometric expressions from on the bottom of page 5 of your 2.2 section 2.2 lecture notes. So in this in the next example, we got to find the cosecant of 45 degrees times the tangent of 60 degrees. Remember, cosecant is the reciprocal of the sine function. And so to find so this is a product, cosecant 45 degrees times tangent 60 degrees. And so to find the cosecant of 45 degrees, right, we go to the unit circle. And here we find the angle on 45 degrees on the unit circle. The x-coordinate is root 2 over 2 and the y-coordinate is root 2 over 2. Well, cosecant is equal to 1 divided by the y-coordinate, right, which is reciprocal of sine. And so we replace cosecant 45 degrees with 1 divided by square root of 2 over 2. Now we got to multiply that by the tangent of 60 degrees. Well, here's 60 degrees on the unit circle, right? And the x-coordinate for that point on the unit circle is 1/2. The y-coordinate's root 3 over 2. And the tangent of 60 degrees is equal to y divided by x. So over here where we have tangent 60 degrees, right, we got to replace that with y over x, which is square root of 3 over 2 divided by 1/2. Now we're multiplying two complex fractions, and so now we got to simplify that. Well, 1 divided by square root of 2 over 2 is just the reciprocal of square root of 2 over 2. And so the reciprocal square root of 2 over 2 is 2 over root 2. And then we're dividing two fractions here. They have the same denominator, so we can cancel the 2's, right? 2 is their common denominator. We can cancel the 2's, and we're left with root 3 over 1. So now we're just multiplying two fractions. And so when you multiply two fractions, you multiply straight across. And when you multiply straight across, we have 2 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 2. Well, that fraction itself can be simplified because 2 is the same as square root of 2 times 2, right? We can place 2 here with square root of 2 times square root of 2. And now we have a common factor, square root of 2 in the numerator and denominator. They cancel, and we're just left with square root of 2 times square root of 3. Well, square root of 2 times the square root of 3 is the same as the square root of 2 times 3, and so we're left with square root of 6. So the exact value of cosecant 45 degrees times the tangent of 60 degrees is equal to the square root of 6.